Hi, my name is Matt, and I'll be teaching you how to do question 1-2 on chapter 1. So the question asks you to find the volume of each of the following three solids. So this cylinder right here, this pyramid, and this sphere right here. So first, to find the volume of each of these three figures, you'll need to know the volume formulas. So for the cylinder, the volume is pi r squared times the height, h. And for this pyramid, the volume is 1/3 base times height, the area of the base times the height. And for this sphere, the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So let's start with the cylinder. We know that the height is 6 centimeters, which you can see right here, and the diameter is 8 centimeters right here. So you know if you cut the diameter in half, you can get the radius, and you can plug in those numbers to the formula. So let's start. The volume equals pi times the radius, which we said was 4, which is half the diameter of 8. So 4 squared, because it's r squared, times the height, which is 6 centimeters. So times 6. And then when you square the 4 and multiply it by 6, that comes out to 16 times 6, which is 96. So you get the volume equals 96 pi centimeters cubed. And you want to remember to put the unit, which in this case is centimeters, which we're given, and the volume of a solid is always in units cubed, so don't forget that. Okay, now moving on to the area of this pyramid. You know that the base is a square. It has 4 equal sides. And you want to find the area of the base. Obviously, you multiply one side by another. So you multiply 10 by 10, giving you 100. So it'll be, and the height we are given is 15 units. So the volume will be 1/3 times the area of the base, which we said was 10 times 10, times the height, which we said was 15 units. And when you multiply that out, you will get that the volume of this pyramid is 500 inches cubed. And remember that to include the units and to make the units cubed when you're dealing with volume problems, and the units squared when you're dealing with area problems. Okay, now moving on to part C of this question, the volume of this sphere right here. And we know that the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, and we know that the radius is half of this measurement right here, the diameter. So the radius will be 4.5 over 2, and then the volume, of course, will be 4/3 times pi times whatever 4.5 over 2 is cubed. So let's write that out. V equals 4/3 pi times 4.5 over 2 cubed. So when you actually do 4.5 over 2, and then cube the answer, you get 11.391 times 4/3 is 15.188 times pi, which is the answer, 15.188 times pi. And of course, the units are meters this time, cubed. So thank you for watching this video. Now let's move on to the next one.